creating art, I always feel a sense of joy myself, and I always want to communicate that to the viewer. So this piece is absolutely no different than any piece that I ever do or ever will do. It's all about the joy, because if you're not enjoying it, why are you doing it? That's my philosophy. So
public art murals made by local artists tend to humanize a community by bringing artwork that's easily accessible into their hometown and their areas. And it brings a vibrancy economically as well, so that people want to come and visit the areas and see all the free art, essentially.
If you go to Maple Street Plaza and you are familiar with the iconic arch overhead, it's representative of a period of the arts called arts and crafts movement. It was started by naturalists who wanted to bring the arts back to nature. Part of that movement that was very important was stained glass. I thought it would be really fun to make these hummingbirds in a stained glass setting. I knew I wanted to match the arch with the piece to make a cohesive whole.
Hi, my name is George, and I'm serving as assistant to Brenda Townsend. I'm pretty excited to be involved in it because we're right here in the heart of Escondido. And like Brenda said, we're only on the third day of working on the mural, and we've already got really great community response, just people walking by and just enjoying the fact that this is happening to begin with, but also that just from the get-go, we've had some really good work already put out on our canvas. So.
The aspect of beautifying this part of Escondido, this is Maple Street Plaza. It's a really high traffic area with students coming to and from the California Center for the Arts Escondido and John Paul the Great University. It's widely used in all of the Escondido community events and street fairs. There's usually a stage here, and this wall has been an eyesore for a number of years, and so just the concept that we're able to bring art to this area of Escondido is just beautiful.
It's a community project. It is Brenda Townsend's, it's her creation, but it is bringing all these people together to put some effort into making this whole thing come together.
Making and creating Escondido to be that hidden, arts capital of North County, that's becoming a reality. We've been talking about that for years throughout all the different communities and stuff, is that Escondido is a hidden arts hub. It's just that arts thing. So when you see it, it's very welcoming, it's bright, it's big, it's beautiful, and it just brings a whole new vibrancy to all of downtown.
I am Veronica Cigaroa, and I was actually just going to drop off my niece to help out, and it just looked like so much fun, and why not help? So here I am. It's big and it's beautiful, and more than that, it has so many people involved and engaged in it, and I think that really draws that community feel that Escondido is pretty known for.
I just want people to see it and lose themselves in the moment and just be able to, maybe let go of their fears for a second, and maybe it transports them to another place and just brings happiness, and that's my hope.
It is my hope that Escondido will continue to support collaborative pieces like Hummingbird Jubilee that allow community engagement to flourish and allow all of our residents to enjoy and uplift one another and take fresh pride in our wonderful city.